Are you driving around with a bad battery and don't even know it? You can check it right here with this Ancel Ba101. Your batteries can get weak and they can get real slow to start, and then one day you're gonna get ready to go to work or coming home from work and it's not gonna start. You need one of these. You need a battery tester. This is from Ancel. A real nice little tester here. We'll get that camera over here a little closer and you can check this thing out. Okay, this is what you get in the box. Get your instruction manual. You got a wire. That's your printer cable, by the way. Stick it over here in the side. We can run it over here to this computer over here. Power it up. It lights up good. I want to show you these clips real quick before I zoom in a little tighter. Look at that. Aren't there some nice clips? Real strong springs. This little part right inside there really grabs hold of your battery. Yeah, there's some nice clamps. You can tell a quality product with the clamps they have on it. I always like doing Ancel product. They got some of the best meters and very good quality product. Got a quick test. Battery in vehicle, out of vehicle, waveform, review data, and print data. This is your printer cable here. Let's run it over to your laptop or your desktop. Print it out. This is simple and easy to use. Test batteries on and off the vehicle. Accurate results in milliseconds. Battery life analysis. Analysis result, good or replace. Large, easy to read LCD display. Test results on CA, CCA, BCI, MCA, JIS, SAE, EN, GB, DIN, and IEC standards. Multi-language interfaces. Quick test. Input battery volume. And then it can show the battery status. Vehicle cranking system test. Cranking time, voltage, and status. Vehicle charging system test. Load voltage, unloaded voltage, ripple status, and charging system status. Store the testing result and print the function via computer. Yeah, real nice little unit. This is for your 12-volt systems. So now I think we'll go over to the car and we'll run it through the paces. Check this thing out. Hook it up to a car battery. We're going to do some testing on it. Let's see what this thing will do. Okay, we'll clamp this thing on here. Okay, we got it hooked up. Got a quick test right here. Your enter button's over here on the left side. Quick test. Input. Got to know how much your amp hours. Cold cranking amps 730. Like amp hours are 72. So we'll put 72 in there. testing. It's good recharge. The healthy is 100%. Charge is 11.84 volts. The rate at 600 amp. Good recharge. Been sitting here for a few days, so it's a good battery that's in my daily driver. It started up and it'll recharge. But if you test the battery and it says replace, that's when you need to replace it, especially in the wintertime. Don't want to leave you stranded. Battery in vehicle. Check surface charge. Turn lights on. Take headlights on about 10 seconds. Turn lights off. Regular flooded. It'll do AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, gel, and EFB batteries. Okay, regular flooded. Okay, it's basically the same thing. Good and recharge. It says good and recharge. Here's the waveform test. Probably gotta have the car running for that. This is review data. So if you wanted to print the data, you can do that. Pretty handy little meter here. Okay, we're going to do a crank test on it. So I'll move my phone. We'll try doing a crank test on it. Still got a glare on that screen. Anyway, it says crank engine. Let's see. Yeah, start engine. That's what it says. So we'll start engine and we'll see what happens here. Open it up. This is the cranking test. Okay, cranking is normal. 11110 milliseconds. Okay, this also has a charging test on it. It says my voltage is high. Of course, it's running and the charger's running. It's running. I'd say anything over 15 volts is high. I got to turn this car off. I'm in an enclosed garage with the heaters running. Don't want to get too much carbon dioxide built up. Yeah, that'll run you out of here real quick, getting a bunch of carbon dioxide built up in your garage. Not showing the voltage is low with the car not running. There's all kind of tests you can do on this. Charge is low because it didn't charge up the battery hardly at all. So that's a good battery. Well, I guess we can go try the golf cart over here. Okay, we got it hooked up over here on the golf cart. Quick test, battery and vehicle. Still trying to keep that glare off of it. There you go. Out of vehicle, waveform, review data, and print data. So this one is a 700 cold cranking amps. So we'll just do a quick test real quick. charge and retest. Yeah, this is another one's been sitting here for a few days. Hasn't been running. That tells you everything you need to know, though. I'm not sure about the ever start 12-volt battery. Got so many wires on here, kind of hard to see where you're. It's a max 24. We'll go battery and vehicle. Not my phone's dying. Battery test. Regular flooded. 75 amp hours testing. Replace. That's what you can also get, replace. I did a test on 2 different meters and both of them says replace. So this battery is going to have to be replaced. So I'll tell you what, this thing will let you know it's no good. It's time to get another one. So it'll keep you from getting stranded. So I'm going to have to replace this battery this spring. I've had this golf cart for a few years. I don't know if it's got a date coded on it anywhere, but we'll just go ahead and there it is. 417. You can see it back there. It says 417. Yeah, that's a pretty old battery, isn't it? So it's time to get it replaced. So that's a very nice meter. Let you know what you need to know. So the car battery checked out good, and golf cart battery said replace. That's good to know. Okay, this is a nice little meter. You can get one of these over on Amazon. I can leave a link below this video here. I appreciate them sending this out to me so we can check it out. But as your car gets older, you got to test the battery. You don't want to be stranded, especially in the wintertime. Alright, thanks for watching.